Hello, friends. We are going to make this cute, beautiful balloons bundle card. This is the cutest bundle in the new catalog. I want to show you this whole suite. It is everything. What I like most about it is it features a lot of our new colors. Lemon Lime Twist, Pretty Peacock, Azure Afternoon, Blueberry Bushel, Berry Burst, and Bubble Bath. So some of these you've heard of before, some of them are brand new. But of course, the first thing I always do is buy all the new colors because, you know, me. But the next thing is I want to figure out what stamp sets use them the most because I want to use them. So, and we always do a trade where we copy a card from the catalog and trade. And so this is the card that I made, but I'm going to show you how to make it. And we're going to use it in different colors to make it today. So let's get started. My name is Kay Cogbill. If you've never seen my videos before, my business is called Paper Made Prettier. I would love it if you would subscribe to my channel on YouTube if you're watching me there. We love our stampers, and if you subscribe, then you'll get my video every week. So I do this live every Wednesday at 1 Central, unless I'm out of town, which is rare. So thanks for joining me. Let's see, we're going to get started. So this card used Lemon Lime Twist, Pretty Peacock, and our Bright and Beautiful 6x6 Designer Series paper. So I'll show you some of it. It's got all the cutest. It's a 6x6 designer paper, stripes, polka dots, stars, all the cutest little patterns and things. You're not going to want to miss on that designer paper. It's so cute. So we're going to use a little bit of that. And let's just get started. We're going to make this card with, I wanted to use Blueberry Bushel and Azure Afternoon. So I thought this was a cute combo. All right. So what we're going to do is we're going to put our strip of designer paper down to this Azure Afternoon piece. Now, the strip is 5.5 by 1.5, and this piece is 5.5 by 3 3/4. All right, so we're going to get it right here to the edge of this. And then we're going to use our cute die. So our Beautiful Balloons stamp set has a die set that matches, of course. It's got all the cutest things, but we're going to use this die, which cuts out the balloons. So of course you could stamp balloons and cut them out, but we're going to use it just to cut out a balloon situation here. So it's going to be about right there. So let's get our embossing machine on the scene. We're going to put it in here, and we're going to put it about right there. And per usual, we're going to be looking for our embossing lid. All right, so you've already stuck your designer paper down, and you're going to run the designer paper and that layer through with that die, okay? So it's going to cut both at once, 2-for-1 special, but then that leaves a cute little opening in your card layer, okay? So, and you can save that for later, but this is what you're left with. Now, I want to show you, so on this card, I put just a piece of designer paper behind it, which is really cute, but I wanted to show you this new paper that we have. It is called Gold Celebrations 12x12 Specialty Series Designer Paper. And it comes in a squiggly, and it also comes in a polka dot. But if you'll notice, it's silver on one side and gold on the other. So you can use it both ways. And then I think there's also a star pattern. Let me look. It's on page 133. I think I've used all this star pattern. There's a polka dot, a squiggly, and then like it's like a confetti. That one is a confetti. The other one. All right, so, but I like this because we're using a contrasting color behind here just so it will really pop. We're using lemon lime twist, but they're going to overlay that cute gold Celebrations 12 by 12 Specialty Designer Series paper. So the easiest way to stick that down is just to get some adhesive behind here and stick it like this. And then we're going to do the same thing with our lemon lime twist piece. And I mean, you could go straight like this. Actually, that might be kind of cute. Now, I like it more with a little bit more contrast. So we're going to stick this piece of lemon lime twist behind here. Isn't that cute? So it really makes that pop. Then, you know what? So we got so much going on back here. Let's go ahead and pop that with some dimensionals. I don't want minis. I want regular. Hold on. See if I can find some regulars. Of course, they're all minis. Okay. So we're going to pop this up. There's a lot going on back here, so sometimes I like to just pop that up because then it won't it won't lay funky if you pop it up. It would probably work either way. So we're going to set that down there. So cute. And then we're going to use a little strip of white. And let's do our sentiment with the blueberry bushel. I want it to be really bold and bright. And we're going to use It's Time for a Celebration, just like we did there. Well, I say we are. I guess we're not, because I haven't got my stamps back in their place. All right, well, let's improvise. Let's use Yay You. I love that. So we're going to go with Yay You. This one. Oh, this is going to be even cuter. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to stamp it. We're going to start with one in the middle. And then we're going to go here, here, and there. Oh, that's really cute. And see, this would be good for birthday or like a graduation or like congratulations. So you could use that Yay You. It's good for anything like that. So let's pop that on. We're gonna put it right about here. And then I pre-die cut some balloons from our, with our dies, and we're just gonna stick those on here. We're gonna stick this one straight down. This one is lemon lime twist. We're gonna pop this one up with dimensionals. And then we're gonna pop this one down. So there's also a little star die in there, so you could either do balloons or stars, either one. Like so. And now we just need some embellishments. So I love these in color dots, and we just kind of look around and see which ones will go. I like this, this, and this for this card. This is wild wheat. Moody Mauve, and Boho Blue. So let's go ahead and do a little Boho Blue, a little Moody Mauve. So we got all the colors going on here, and some Wild Wheat, and then that's coming with a couple of smaller ones in similar colors. So we are sparkling this sucker up. Now, these dots are great. They're called 2023, 2025 in color dots, and they're really flat, which I like. So when you mail them, they're not going to interfere with anything. Anywho, I love that. You will want to make sure, pick up the in color dots, make sure and pick up some of the, just get the whole Bright and Beautiful suite, which is $161,460 for $73. You'll get the bundle. You'll get all of the designer paper. You'll get the Gold Celebrations paper. So you'll have everything that you need to get started on this gorgeous, well, cute card. Now, 2 links that I have in this video for you are to sign up for next week's catalog kickoff card class. So you definitely want to, we're going to be using some more of this designer series paper and this cute set. We're going to make a Father's Day card with Let's Go Fishing, and then we're going to monkey around as well. So make sure and click the link to sign up for that class. It's both live and online. There's no fee associated with the online class. You can just watch for free, get the PDFs for free. If you put in an order, you'll get the card class in the mail when your order is a minimum of $40. And then also, if you live locally, I posted a link to my bingo class, which is also my buy one, get one sale, which is on Memorial Day. So make sure and sign up for that if you live locally, and we will see you next week. Bye.